Hi, I'm Binny Matthew from Paranthotam, Kochi. From Kerala. My wife Shiba Cherian had installed a 3 kilowatt solar panel at our rooftop from Sun Region and now known as Finis Energy. Installation was done on October 2021 and it was done within one day very professionally. The total cost of the installation, including the solar panel, the inverter, the cables, etc., came only to rupees 90,000 after the subsidy. The system started producing energy from day one and has produced more than 300 units of energy per month on an average, including the rainy seasons. After the net meter was installed by the KSEB, we were able to export net energy to the grid almost every day. So our energy cost, our electricity bill was never more than 150 or 200, which was only the fixed charges charged by the electricity board. There was never an interruption of solar energy production from the system, and hence we consider the system to be very robust. We have already saved rupees 36,000 for 2 years. Since we have installed the system, which was before 2 years, on October 2021, we have almost saved rupees 36,000 for the 2 years. So we consider the payback of the 90,000 we spent within 5 years. Hence, we are very happy, and we would recommend the system to anybody who is interested. Okay, thank you.